Hello everyone, welcome to the Xoro guide for voiding your transfer fund transactions. So in this case, you've created a transfer fund. Maybe you did it accidentally or you used the wrong account. In any case, you want to void the transfer fund now. So I'm in the transfer fund centers. I can simply just open it up here. And to void it, just go options and then void. You want to make sure that the transaction isn't reconciled like it is here. Otherwise, you won't be able to void it. So let me try opening one that isn't reconciled. Let's see here. Let me try another one maybe. Let's see. Looks like they're all reconciled. Let me just quickly create a transfer fund. And then I'm just going to transfer, let's see. From my undeposited, I'll transfer to my bank account. I'll transfer, let's say, 10,000. Transfer. There we go. Okay, so let me open this from the transfer fund. So let's say I accidentally created that one and I want to void it now. I can just double click it and just go options, void. And that's how you void a transfer fund.